And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So before I get into this video, you guys would have seen in the thumbnail anyway that this is a brand new wedding series. I did do the wedding series a few months back now, but I can't remember where I left off, what I said to you guys in them videos. So I thought, you know what, I will do a whole brand new one. All of our family and friends know already, so by the time this video goes up, everyone would know. But for the last few weeks now, I've been sorting out our wedding, and with work being quite slow and stuff happening, I've done more of the wedding stuff now than I did have. So we have actually got a date for our wedding. It is next year, and it's a nice summer wedding, and I can't wait. I've purchased quite a lot so far. Do you know what? I've done quite a bit in 2 weeks than most people do in like a month or 2 months, maybe 3 months, you know, because people go over the top with weddings. I personally, when I was younger, I did want the whole big white wedding, this, that and the other. But as you grow up, you learn that things are too expensive and you've got to budget things. So we're having a nice small intimate wedding, just our family and close friends. We'll be showing you throughout all these different series, I will showing you bits that I bought for the wedding, this, that and the other. The only thing that I will not be doing is filming the wedding itself, because obviously we want to enjoy it and I don't want to film it. It's just our private thing, but I will probably do like a little montage pictures and stuff of our wedding anyway, but I won't be filming at the actual wedding date itself. But I'll be showing you little bits that I've bought for the wedding, how we're decorating stuff and this, that and the other. I've actually purchased a few things now. Before I show you them, we've booked the registry office, we have booked our reception, we've got our rings, obviously got the invites. What else have I done? I've got my dress, I've got my shoes, veil, garter. So I've done quite a lot within 2 weeks. That's what I mean. I've literally done more in 2 weeks than people have done in like in a month. These little things here are the invites and the little cards that's going to go inside the invites, and the wedding book. I actually got these from Amazon. So what I'll do is I will pop the link in the description box below, just in case if you guys are getting married and you want some ideas, then head over to there. So let's start off with these ones first. So these are our wedding invitations. So it's just plain and simple. Most people are going on like Canva and getting like really good ones, and I thought, what's the point? Like, we don't have that much money anyway, so I thought we're on a budget. And then I saw these on Amazon and I thought, do you know what, they look really nice. They're pink flowers as well, so it goes with the bridesmaid's dress, it goes with like the pink theme. So I thought it's cute, plain and simple, and I absolutely love them. You get quite a few in there actually, 25. So obviously we don't need all the 25 for the day ones, just a few people. Then we have the evening ones. So I actually got 3 packs of these because they don't have that many in them. I don't think it actually says. I think they're about 10 in each. And obviously we've got 39 guests in total. That's like including all of our day guests and me and Nathan. So I thought, you know what, I'll get 3 packs just so we're on the safe side and we have enough. And again, the print is exactly the same, like little pink flowers. It's got even invitations there and got the details there. Obviously, by the time this video goes up, hopefully all these invites would have been sent out. So yeah, they're all matching, all staying to the same colour theme as well. When I was sorting out the evening invites, I was just scrolling along and I saw these, which are the guest information. And you can personalise it how you want to write in it. Now, some people put like directions or dress code, this, that and the other. I've actually personalised it with our information. I've actually got to get some more with some other information. So obviously it's the same print with the pink flowers, same design, so it's all exactly the same. And then it's just got a few words that we have put in So these ones are basically, because we're living with his mum and dad, we don't need a load of wedding gifts, like we don't need no toasters or anything. So we thought to ourselves, if anyone wants to contribute like to the wedding, they can contribute to the honeymoon, which is our honeymoon / holiday, which we will be sorting after the wedding. So yeah, that is all the information that's on there. So everyone's going to be getting a copy of that in their invitations. I am going to be getting another set of them which has different information, which will have, because we're having a summer wedding, it's going to be quite hot. People are going to be in like suits and stuff all day, and even in the evenings it's still quite hot and warm. People are going to be sweating, it's going to be horrible. So we have decided to let our guests know that if you want to be comfy, like in nice casual wear for the evening, just for the reception, then they can. It is down to them. If they still want to wear a suit, that's down to them. We don't mind either way, but we've given our guests the option whether they want to wear comfy clothes in the evening, because like I said, it's going to be summer, it's going to be hot. Who wants to stay in all suits and stuff all day? Then I did have a wedding planner, but where it was folding so much, the pages were creasing and it looked like they were all going to fall out, and I thought I need something with like a spiral back. And then I saw this one on Amazon and I thought that one is better. So it's got the black spiraling on the edge of it, which makes it so much better to when you're folding, and it's got all the information you need throughout this book. And it's got tabs as well, so you've got different tabs: essential planning, guest supplies, day, wedding day stuff, honeymoon plans, after the I do's, wedding notes, and a wedding to-do list. So I've got absolutely everything all in here that I can go through. I've started filling out some of it, but I've got to fill out a bit more stuff now I've started planning for the wedding. I've got to add in a few things now with the dresses and stuff. My dress I've got from Shein. It's absolutely beautiful, stunning. I won't show you because obviously I want to keep it kind of secret and a surprise from everyone, not just from Nathan but for all our guests as well. The only person that would actually see it would obviously be my sister, because she'd be with me when I try it on, or put it on, shall I say. But as for our guests and everything, it's all going to be a surprise for them as well. So I'm not going to show you guys, because I know my family watch my videos, especially my cousin and my sister. So I'd like to keep it a bit quiet for everyone. Like I said, they're not the only bits that I've actually started purchasing. Like I said, I've got my bits I got from Shein was my dress, my veil, my shoes, a garment bag to put my dress in so it keeps it all nice and clean and all creased. I've got a hanger that says bride on, so I can pop the dress in that and then pop that in the garment bag. So, oh, and I've got some Diamante crystals, which are like adhesive ones, which I can decorate my shoes. So I've got plain white shoes. I'm going to decorate the heel and the platform bits, so make it a bit more blingy and a bit more me. I think that's it from Shein, which I'm waiting for. From Amazon we have our rings, the ring box, and my garter. Yeah, that's all from Amazon so far. And then next time I make a Shein order will be like the bridesmaids bit, so the bridesmaids dresses and stuff. Going to be more episodes coming. Like I said, I will not be filming the wedding, but everything else I will be. What else is there to say? I did film wedding series months ago, but like I said, I can't remember what I said in there, you know, where I got up to, so I thought I'd just do a whole brand new one. But yeah, we have booked our wedding and I'm so excited, and I will be officially Mrs. Bradley and I cannot wait. So guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.